Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to do more of a personal type video for you guys. It's going to consist of a different channel, if that makes sense. A different channel in the sense of a human being that has a totally different channel from what I do. An individual who is selfless, who goes above and beyond for anybody I've ever met. I have nothing but good things to say in this video, period. Stay tuned after the intro and all them wandering minds of, what are you talking about, Pat? It'll make sense here in a few seconds. I'll see you in a second. Welcome back guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are safe and sound, free from COVID. As always, thank you each and every one of you for all the support, all the comments, the likes on Instagram, on YouTube. Just thank you guys for all the support. If you are new to the channel and haven't watched any of my videos and you just randomly clicked on my thumbnail and you're like, what does this guy do? What's this guy about? Stick around, watch the video, and if you like it, hit the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. This video is going to be about a person that I met, I've had the privilege of meeting, I should say, probably a few weeks back. I haven't even known this person for 6 months, 4 months, let alone, you know. I was cruising around on YouTube one day. I seen a bearded brother that goes by the name of Joelnert. This guy right here. Joel, I hope you don't mind, buddy. I'll link his channel in the description below. He's got a majestic beard like me and like all the other brothers. And what I watched is his video that this gentleman that I'm talking about made a pair of shoes for him. Custom pair. Straight custom. Everything about these shoes were custom. Well, I watched the video and I'm like, man, this guy is awesome. He does all this work, all this customization to these shoes, and you know, and he spends a lot of time and money on making custom shoes, and he just gives them away. Just gives them away. You know, nobody asks for them. He's just the most selfless person I've ever met in my life, and that guy, his name's Payton Fisher. I'll put his face right here. I'll put his channel down in the description below as well. This guy creates custom shoes. He literally buys these shoes. Air Force Ones are the ones in particular that I got that he customized out of his own pocket, and just creates amazing things with these shoes. His name is Payton Fisher. He's got a YouTube channel. He customizes shoes. He gave a car away. He gave a car away. Who does that? Who does that? Yes, this is not spam. This is not trolling. This guy gave a car away. This guy is the most awesome guy I've ever met in my life. And if you noticed on his picture, look into his eyes. What do you notice? One eye is different colors. How awesome is that? The only other person I know with different color eyes, who is that, is, what's his name? I'll put him right here. I can't remember his name right off the bat. That's amazing. That's so cool. He took these shoes that are sitting right here below the camera and completely customized them to what I like, what I do, what I've been through. You know, he is a selfless person. And I know you guys are probably like, why are you so serious? Why ain't you happy? And it just amazes me that there are still people out there like this guy that does these things just out of the kindness of his heart. You know, he gets these shoes, he does what he does to them, and he just gives them to people. Just, there you go. There you go. That is awesome. Payton, thank you so much, brother. These shoes aren't just shoes to me. They are my livelihood. They are what I've been through most of my life, as in, fighting fires. I've started fighting fire when I was 14, 15 years old. I started as a cadet, worked my way up to a junior, firefighter, officer, and then the main officer. I never got to chief. I got to assistant chief, but that's where it ended. But anyway, this ain't about me. He took these shoes and customized them all the way around. Just amazing. Payton Fisher is one of the most selfless people I know, I've ever met, and I'm glad that I've met him. Now, guys, check these out. I know you've probably seen my Instagram post on these shoes, and Payton didn't ask me to make this video. I told him I was going to make this video because I appreciate what he does. I mean, look at the detail. And that's another thing. He does everything at home. He buys the products. He buys all the art supplies. He has a custom printer that makes decals or whatever. All his his desktop, his lighting. He's just like me, a YouTuber, but only he goes in grave detail and customizes these things down to that. Look at that. I mean, on the back. I mean, that is amazing to me. I mean, we've talked quite a few times. I've gotten to know him, and I mean, look at that. He's put my entire family's name on my shoe. Obviously, this being me, my daughter, my son, my other daughter, and my fiance. It's just, well, I call her my wife, because we've been together for so long. And this is just one shoe, guys. He is just an amazing person. And he deserves more subscribers. The last time I checked, I think he had like 259 subscribers. Guys, if you would, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, go watch his content. Watch him create these shoes. I mean, he gave away a car, and he customized the car. How awesome is that? This is the other shoe. I've been a fireman pretty much my entire life, and this is what the theme was about: firefighting and family. I mean, look at this fire engine. Look at the detail in that. I don't know how close I can get, but I hope you guys can tell. Like, he didn't just paint these on freehand. I mean, it's spraying water down to the fire. How awesome is that? Of course, there's the Nike, and all firemen have a say. All my firemen brothers out there, you know what that means: 2 in, 2 out. Of course, the fireman Maltese cross, and if you guys remember what station number I belonged to for most of my life, Station 56. Just an amazing process. It's amazing to watch. And these are brand new Air Force Ones. These ain't $20 shoes. They ain't $30 shoes. Hell, they ain't even $50 shoes. These are over $100. And he just gives them away. Customizes them. His time. He buys his art supplies. It just amazes me how selfless he is. He is a great person. The best part about him, he's a family man. He loves his kids. He spends all the time he can with his kids. His videos are family. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say, because it's just a privilege that I got to meet this guy. He's just a big time family person. He loves his family. He shows it in his videos. I think he has five children, and his wife just had another one, which, by the way, congratulations, Payton. Awesome. Guys, do me a favor. Go to the link below. Go check out his channel. Hit that subscribe button on his channel. Go watch his videos and be amazed. I'm amazed because this doesn't take... You don't just do this in one day. You can't. It's impossible. I mean, the detail in these... This is a few days, possibly a week's time. He does these things, customizes things, and just gives stuff away. And that is an awesome act of kindness if I ever seen one. His name is Payton Fisher. His link will be down in the description, guys. Please do me a favor, go down and follow his channel. His Instagram is this, his YouTube is this, and this is Payton right here. Payton, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video because this is dedicated to you, brother. Keep doing what you're doing. You've shown me, you've just shown me how there's awesome people out there, and you are one of them, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry it's a little bit long. It's little bit lengthy. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will go down and check Payton's YouTube and Instagram out. Give him a follow, give him a subscribe, show him some love. I appreciate all the support. Until the next video, guys, peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.